Fifth bout, blue corner, Taslima Akhtar. Please come to the cage right now. Taslima Akhtar, Tanisha.
Bout number 5. রিংয়ে আসবে তাসনিমা আক্তার তানিশা from Ushu and MMA Fight Club.
Get ready to fight when the cage door closes. It's war tonight. Strength and skill, heart and pride. This is HFP, where warriors rise. Lights on, crowd screaming loud. Fighters stepping in, standing tall and proud. Throwing punches, kicking fast. Only the strongest are built to last. Fighter নামছে রিং কাঁপছে শোক দিয়া সাহস সব কিছু টাটকা বেশি কিছু ভাবার সময় নাই একটা ভুল সব শেষ হয়ে যায়. Lock it up, take him down. One big hit straight to the ground. From Bangladesh to the world we go, making history, putting on a show. Boom, left hook, now the crowd goes wild. Bang, spinning kick, knockout style. Fight hard, don't step back. This is how I fight, the future is packed. Kushi polo, kaplo shop. Lucky cholo, tomlo na keu. Ekai holo, fight e kala. I can fight, eight die shatter. Oh, I can fight where the best are made. Bangladesh rise on the oldest stage. No fear, no limits, we're bringing the heat. The genesis.
Red corner, Sumaya Akhtar Oishi. Please come to the cage.
Where champions meet. Bangladesh warriors born to win. Training hard, fire deep within. Fists are flying, kicks are high. One mistake and it's goodbye. Like air the best to lead. Bangladesh fights on, we own the stage. Fear no limits, we're bringing the heat. The genesis of fight, where champions meet. বাংলার বাঘ মাঠে নামে দেখবে সবাই ফাইট জমে 10টা ফাইট একটা লক্ষ্য যে জিতবে সে হবে শীর্ষ.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the fifth bout of this evening. And now, this is the moment you all MMA fans have been waiting for. This bout is scheduled for 3 rounds of action in the catchweight division. Live straight from Hatirchin, Dhaka. Now introducing first, out in the blue corner, she is a mixed martial artist, weighing in at 58.9 kg, representing the MMA and Wushu Fight Club. She is Taslima Tanisha! And now, to the fighter from the red corner, she is a mixed martial artist, representing the Bonyanchong Boxing Club, weighing in at 63.5 kg. She is Sumaya Akhtar! And now, your referee in charge of this action, Mr. Fuad Ahmed Robin.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the commentary box. The first round is about to begin.
So your other favorite commentator of the house besides Shamu Bhai is also back. And now we have the start to our fifth bout. They're trying to size each other
This is a
up,
catch
trying
weight.
to gauge the distance. Yes, it's a catch weight. I mean, it's catch weight is usually the weight in between two weight divisions.
So from the red corner, MST Sumaya, and from blue corner, Taslima, fighting for catch weight, 3 rounds, professional MMA.
As you know, Shamu Bhai, Sumaya is representing the Bunyanchong Boxing Club. This is the other club in Bangladesh besides Khulna that focuses on female boxers. So all of the fighters are very good female boxers. Whoever comes from that boxing academy. And on the other hand, in the blue corner, the other camp is MMA and Wushu Fight Club. They're the only
So we are
club-
expecting.
Yeah, the only club that also specializes in grappling and ground game as well. So
Yes.
each fighter that comes out of that club is expected to be a well-rounded fighter. And as you can see, oh my God, the boxer can take the hits. She's getting wobbled, and she's trying to take over her composure. But I don't think she might. She might pull it off. She is trying to survive there. She's trying to survive, and Tanisha is going for the kill. As we all know now, why Tanisha is the betting favorite.
So Tanisha wearing red or black?
Tanisha is the girl in the full black,
Full black.
and
right.
whereas the girl
She's from MMA Wushu Fight Club. We're expecting
Yes.
more Wushu, throwing punches, kicks, mixing things up, and taking in the ground more from Tanisha. And because Maya is boxing academy, we're expecting more boxing from her than the ground game. So it's more like standing, let's kicking, let's ground, more boxing.
So far একটু আগে খুব হিটেড এক্সচেঞ্জের পর আমরা এখন দেখছি দে ট্রাইং টু ফিল ইচ আদার আউট ও ইয়েস দ্য বক্সার ল্যান্ডেড আ লেগ কিক এন্ড শি জাস্ট কট রাইট আফটার দ্যাট
Right.
But-
This is what happens when you come
but-
from the boxing to MMA. We can
you know
clearly
she
see
isn't
the
used to
difference.
throwing the leg kicks but we expected যে সে আরেকটু স্ট্যান্ড আপ গেমটা ভালো করবে because it's boxing that works mostly in the stand up, you know. Often you don't throw out kicks unless you are very well trained in that game. But why
true.
isn't she able to hold her own in the fist exchanges? Shamu bhai, what do you think? Why is the boxer not able to hold her own in her
Well,
own
it doesn't
game?
matter what I
mean,
think.
oh
it
my God, that was a
matters-
nasty outside leg kick.
It matters
and now
how
boom,
the
boom,
expected-
boom. She
Last
is
10
getting-
seconds.
She's getting teed off there.
Right.
And
And some
wow,
knees,
she
you
is
can see
utilizing
some
the
knees in
clinch.
play.
Now we know why
That's a
Tanisha is the
takedown.
better fighter.
Time.
She utilized the clinch, but for
Sumaya
some
is on the
reason the
top.
position got shifted.
Round
And
just
round one goes to
ended.
Tanisha.
We're moving to the second round.
Bangladesh rise on the oldest stage. No fear, no limits. We're bringing the heat. The genesis of fight where champions meet. Bangladesh fighters, we going worldwide. This is more than a fight. It's a warrior's pride. Blood, sweat, and dreams in the ring. Hack a fight promotions where legends swing.
A well-rounded fighter.
Shamu
As
bhai,
you can see, oh my
don't you
God, the
think
boxer
এই
can
এই যে রাউন্ডটা গেল 5 মিনিট যদি আমি হিসাব করি we got like
expected to be a well-rounded
Seconds out,
fighter.
seconds
As you
out.
can see, oh my God, the boxer can, and she's trying.
Strength and skill, heart and pride. This is HFP, where warriors rise. Lights on, crowd screaming loud. Fighters stepping in, standing tall and proud. Throwing punches, kicking fast. Only the strongest are built to last. Fighter নামছে ring
Round
কাঁপছে,
two.
শক্তি আর সাহস সব কিছু টাটকা। বেশি কিছু ভাবার সময় নাই, একটা ভুল
Yes.
Sumay is trying to feel her opponent out. She's losing. I think she needs to have a proper game plan. She needs
Right.
to have a proper game plan.
Then
sticking
again,
to her
আমরা
strength.
যদি দেখি Taslima, she
Not
already
trying
on
to
to
engage
bar.
with Taslima, not trying to engage with Taslima in the pocket, and also the grappling exchanges would be the wise decision. Amar mono hoy
Yes.
she needs to take care of the distance every
Distance.
time, and she needs to stick to counter game because
Yes, then she
Taslima
will
has
have
the
more stamina
upper
as
hand.
well.
Exactly, Taslima has the upper hand, so she's the aggressor. So every
Yeah.
time Taslima is trying to come, she can use that cross to counter.
or cross. If she misses the cross, she can go with a lead hook. You know, that's the strength of a boxer. Yes, see what I'm saying? That's what she should do. But Taslima just laughed it off. She didn't feel a damn thing. My God, this girl has a very good chin. I'm not gonna lie. And now the boxer is trying to clinch and she just fall on her back. And now Taslima has the
That's a
dominant
takedown.
position, securing the takedown. She is doing tremendous ground and pound.
Now going for ground and pound.
And this is where the boxer will always lose because she isn't prepared to take that much pressure.
Yes, what's next?
What's
Is she
next?
gonna give
I
up?
think she might give up or she might not. But let's see. Let's put it all on the fighters here because they are fighting with a
She's
very good
thinking
heart.
all about defending. She needs to
No,
fight
she's
back a little.
she's fully helpless down there. She needs to defend herself. If she's not able to defend herself, the referee can
Referee
put a stoppage to
came
the
to the
contest, and
stoppage.
that is what happened. She couldn't defend herself any longer. Now we know why MMA and Wushu Fight Club has fighters jara onek well rounded.
Hello.
নিয়াজ আহমেদ, তালেব চক।
Ladies and gentlemen, this bout has come down to referee stoppage due to ground and pound. And the winner of this bout, out in the blue corner, Tanisha! তাসলিমা আক্তার তানিশা, এই যে আপনি যে বাউটটা এখন খেললেন অ্যান্ড ইউ টুক দ্য ডিসাইসিভ উইন থ্রু রেফারি স্টপেজ, আপনার এই বাউটটা নিয়ে অনুভূতি কি?
মানে বলার মতো না, এটা আমার ফার্স্ট বাউট ছিল। আমি এমনিতে উশু খেলোয়াড়, সান্দা খেলি, কিন্তু এটা এমএমএটা আমার জন্য একদম ফার্স্ট। তো অনেক এক্সাইটেড, উইন হয়েছে আলহামদুলিল্লাহ।
সো মাশাআল্লাহ, আপনি আপনার ডেবিউতে ইউ মেড শিওর দ্যাট ইউ টুক দ্য ডিসাইসিভ উইন। আপনার আগামী খেলার জন্য আপনার কি কি পরিকল্পনা আছে?
ইন্টারন্যাশনাল
ইনশাআল্লাহ।
Bout 6, নিয়াজ আহমেদ। লিটন কি রেডি আছে? আগে দেখে আসেন।
I'm not gonna lie. And now the boxer is trying to clinch, and she just. Taslima has the
a
dominant
takedown.
position, securing the takedown. She is doing tremendous. I think she
Calling
might
the
give
fighter
up,
for the
or
next
she might
bout
not,
from the blue corner.
or she might not. Let's
Khaled.
see. Let's put it all on the fighters here, because they are fighting with a
She's
very good
thinking
heart.
all about defending.
All right. Next bout. Mohammad Liton versus